Germany has obviously dealt with its past in a way that was very excessive, you know? And I think that this was probably the first time in history that a country addressed something as big as this, you know, as genocide. And you can't really deal with it, you know, you can only try. So for me, this is like, you know, it's like living with a wound that will never heal. And that's how it is. You know, I think the whole idea of healing is what's the word I'm looking for? I think it's wishful thinking, you know. I think what most people in this world have to do is learn to live with wounds that will not go away. That will maybe become less prominent, but I don't think they will go away.